memories that last a lifetime. Through their work, they bridge cultural divides and celebrate the rich tapestry of our musical heritage. My company, Omni Industries Limited, believes in the power of art.
And he said, he needs some more support. So he can handed in diploma in management.
This is my third time, I believe now, in Jamaica.
What's it like?
No, fourth time.
Fourth time.
Yes.
Oh, so you're almost an honorary Jamaican, right?
I am an honorary Jamaican.
Talk a bit about, what you hope to bring to us, in November.
Well, I'm super excited to be a part of this collaboration. The Concert Chorale of Harlem and the Philharmonic Orchestra of Jamaica are first. So our founder, Mr. Rodari Simpson, thought what would be the most amazing thing to happen for his country, and that would be bringing classical music to the island and having a fantastic collaboration with one of its premier organizations. So, with the help of Franklin Halliburton, we have been able to make that happen.
To assure you that there is, in fact, preventative.
I'm a trained opera singer, but I love to have any kind of music exchange, and I sing everything from gospel that I grew up singing in a church to high opera and from the Viennese schools, the classical music. So I love everything from jazz to, we also perform spirituals together, some of the singers. We do show tunes sometimes, so we love music.
Actually, like my first time here in Jamaica, but I'm really excited for this beautiful cultural exchange. Two different countries. My family is also West Indian, and so I'm really looking forward to the exchange of energy, the exchange of music making, but we come together to make this beautiful presentation for people to witness the power of music. So I'm really excited about that.